Baik, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nifsa Hanifa Syafaat from the Faculty of Economic, majoring in Economic Education International Class Program. In this opportunity, I want to speak about tax revenue for my assignment. Okay, the first is I want to speak and explain about description of tax revenue. But before it, I wanna explain about the description of tax. As we know, tax is a contribution to the state that can be imposed on taxpayers. Tax can be divided into central tax and local tax. There are two. And description of tax revenue based on Article 1, Paragraph 3 of Law Number 14 of 2015 concerning the state revenue and expenditure budget for the 2016 fiscal years. Tax revenue is tax revenue which is all state revenue consisting of domestic tax and international tax revenue. Okay, tax receipt are all revenue consisting of domestic tax and international tax here. Okay, this tax revenue is one of the sources to finance future state expenditure. It is hoped that its contribution will increase in order to achieve independence in state financing. Okay, the tax component is the large contributor to state revenue. In the last 3 years, total tax revenue account for an average that is 68% of the total state revenue. The large component in total tax revenue come from domestic tax, or the remaining 66% comes from international trade. And there are other description that is from Khairul Anwar, that the large source of state finance for financing the very high budget dominant. Meanwhile, according to Siti Kurnia Rahayu, tax revenue is tax collected are grouped into central tax, custom and excise, regional tax, as well as regional levy and other non-tax revenues. Here, there are the tax capacity. The amount of tax capacity depends on the tax base in area. The higher it is economic growth and people income. The greater the tax capacity, this is reflected in the national GDP and regional GDP, which are called with in terms of the rate multiplied by the base or bulk taxable object. The imposition of tax rate is adjusted to the principle of justice and community power. Meanwhile, the tax base is highly dependent on activities, economic and tax regulation of each region. The tax base is the object and business entity or individual tax subject based on the levy based on the law, tax law, but issued by the center and tax laws area. So there are the tax effort. That is, the amount of tax revenue as sort of financing in area is very large, depending on the government ability to collect it. Okay, there are the tax revenue data in Indonesia from 2020 until 2022. And there are PPNBM, or in Indonesia we call that pajak pertambahan nilai dan pajak penjualan atas barang mewah, who's giving the income to Indonesia. Based on in this tax revenue data, there are tax collector, or we say the tax revenue is classified into two. The first is central government revenue, and the second is local government tax revenue. When central government tax revenue, that is all state revenue consisting of domestic tax revenue and international tax revenue. We have learned before this. And domestic tax revenue are all state revenue organization from income tax revenue, value add tax revenue for goods and service, and sales tax revenue on luxury goods, land and building tax revenue, excise income, and other tax revenue. International trade tax revenue are all state revenue originating from import that income and export that income. Okay, in here there are that international trade for international income. Okay, we can look here, we can see the compare from 2020 century until now. Okay, tax revenue consists, there are many, that is the first from physical tax consists that pays that on transfer, motor vehicle, surface water, and if from types of regency, that is hotel tax, restaurant tax, entertainment tax, advertisement tax, and street lighting tax on non-metal, rock, mineral, and other. And GDP, or is the total value produced by all total revenue by all business unit in a particular country, or is the total value of final good and service product by all economic unit. GDP is the amount of added value generated by all business unit in the total value of final good and service product by all economic unit in a particular region. Okay, maybe that is comparison of tax revenue based on PAT on luxury. Okay, this is the data from PAT and luxury, and this is data from tax revenue in Indonesia. Maybe until here my explain about this material. I said sorry if I have mistake in this learning, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.